81.505 peso. Commission ko yun sa TikTok, guys. Yan, withdraw natin. Tapos, andyan yung withdrawal account. Tapos, yung minimum nila. Tapos, yung balance ko. Minimum nila 10. So, meron akong 81. So, withdraw na natin yung 81 peso. Withdraw now. Withdraw natin. Tapos, ayan yung withdrawal ko is 81. Tapos, yung service fee nila is 3.45 peso. Tapos, yung matanggap po na lang is 77.55 peso. Ayan, confirm natin. Ayan. Ayan, naging 0 na siya. Tapos, ayan yung transaction ko lahat. Ay, commission transaction. Tapos, yan ang withdrawal ko. Ito yung withdraw ko ngayon. 23. Yan. Wala nang laman. Thank you, guys.